Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, hope you all are doing wonderful and enjoying my videos. And yes, you are learning also. Uh, and thank you for appreciating, thank you for making comments, and thank you for giving suggestions that what type of other videos you would like to know. So, out of all the comments, I have just made one small list. So, definitely step by step, I will try to cover everything, but I have seen that maximum of people are very, very much interested in Navmansh Kundali. Always means it's something like, they are more connected to Navmansh Kundali and they want to know more and more out of it. So basically, today I'm going to talk about one of the simple technique which I found very much effective, and I have applied it in many charts. And yes, I would like to share it with you all. So, how to see our wealth? What will be the what will be the way of our income, or what will be the major source, or which planet will be the basic planet to give us money, wealth, finances, and what type of through what type of work we will generate our money, and how will be the money flow. So basically, every one of us knows that our Artha Trikona, which is second house, sixth house, and 10th house, are very much related to our finances, because second house is our accumulation of money. Sixth house is our service, whatever services we give to others, to our employer, to ourselves also, and we earn particular amount every month to run our livelihood. And then we go to 10th house of chart, which is our karma house, which is profession house also, which is employer's house also, but basically it is a karma house. What type of karma you are going to do in this life, and how your financial position will be generated. So what we have to see in Navamsha, if we see, so definitely you can see that whatever is your Artha Trikona or finance house zodiac signs, you just have to trace those zodiac signs in your Navmansh Kundali, and then you have to see that what planets are posited in your D9 chart. Definitely you will be earning from that source only throughout your life, or if not, that particular planet, whatever is lying in your Artha Trikona Rashi, or wherever your Artha Trikona Rashi Lord is going in Navamsha chart, that house or that zodiac related work will always give you benefits in terms of earning money, earning lots of money, and sustaining your money. So here I will just try to, yes, I'll just share one screen. I'll share one chart with you all. So now I hope you all can see this chart. So see, in this birth chart of this person, if we see, this is Pisces ascendant rising, and it, when we see Artha Trikona or finance houses are second, sixth, and 10th, right? So when we are seeing that second house is holding Mars sign, sixth house is holding Leo sign, and then 10th house is holding Jupiter sign. So that means that we have to see Mars, Sun, and Jupiter. So in basic chart, when we are seeing Mars, Sun, and Jupiter are connected to each other, so definitely we get some generalized idea about this person's profession. But when we see in Navamsha chart, here also maybe you will say that this person is maybe into technical profession, he is an engineer, she is an engineer, or maybe this person is in politics, government job. But when if this native denies that no, I'm not into any type of this work, and if we see in D9 chart also, now we will see in D9 chart where is this 1, 5, and 9. So 1, right? 1, 5, and 9. So these are coming in Kama Trikona. So in 1 number sign, we are not seeing any planet, but there is a Gulika over there. In 5 number sign, this is Leo, we are not seeing any planet, but in 9 number sign, we are seeing Mercury, which is happening to be Vargottama for this meeting. So first thing, we can make it very, very prominent and clear that yes, this person will be very much connected to communication, connected to any type of like consultation work, or this person will be work as a middle person like broker, right? Why I'm saying broker? Because here Martian sign is coming in Kendra, is coming in quadrant house, and this Mars sign here is of Artha Trikona. The Lord of Mars is sitting in 6th house along with Lord of Leo sign Surya. These both are sitting in 6th house of chart. So at least we can derive a conclusion that definitely this person will be very much connected to Mars and Sun activity and Mercury. So what it could be, because this Mars is also getting aspect of Saturn, which is a karma karaka as per natural zodiac if we see. So 10 number sign falls there, right? So we can say that maybe connected to construction work, like Saturn and Mars are opposite to each other. In construction work, this person can work very well. This person can have political or higher circle connectivity uh, for work. And definitely this Mercury is in courage house of Navamsha chart. Courage house means through what he will do or she will do courage. So this person will do courage through his words, through his talks. So maybe this person will definitely earn money through brokerage or licensing of lands or construction. This person can develop the lands after buying it, and definitely Jupiter is also very well posited in both the charts. Here also it is in ascendant, but here it is becoming in a sign of Libra. But what is the basic concept of what I am trying to uh, uh, make you aware about is 159. Whatever signs are posited in your Artha Trikona, just observe those signs. If you will say that I do not have any planets in my this signs, so definitely it could be like, you just have to see that where this sign lords are posited, and then you have to derive to a conclusion that yes, if this person will work connected to these planets, then definitely this person will get success. See, this is very simple technique. I'm trying to explain you all, and I'm very sure that definitely you all will be benefited through it. So basically, you can see as many charts you want to. I'll just try if I can share one more chart. I'll just try. I'm not sure. Okay, I'll take one another chart. So it could be like okay. uh, I'll just see. Mm, okay, so here also you can see that in this chart, one uh, the second house, the 6th house, and 10th house, which are having Pisces sign, which is having Cancer sign, and which is having Scorpio sign. So what we have to see, Jupiter, Moon, and Mars. So go in Navamsha chart, where is Jupiter, Moon, and Mars, right? So the sign of Cancer is lying in 5th house of chart. The sign of Scorpio is lying in 9th house of chart, and sign of Pisces is lying in 1st house of chart. So what we can see in this chart, that this person is having Jupiter, Moon, and Ketu in Pisces, which is falling in this 2nd house of chart, which is Artha Trikona. So Jupiter oriented work, Moon oriented work, and Ketu. So Jupiter, Moon, and Ketu in Pisces sign. Pisces sign is of education. Pisces sign is something like giving away the thing. So you can say that this person can be connected to Jupiterian work. Also, this person can be connected to, spiritual activities, or maybe connected to something related to Mars also, because Mars here is also playing very important role, and Sun is also playing important role. So we can also say that this person will earn the livelihood through government related work. This Mars is also connected to technicality. Mars is also connected to, like, a defense department, or you can say police department. But when we are seeing this Mars, this is of Anuradha Nakshatra. Saturn is debilitated. So that cannot be ruled out. But yes, we can rule out that this person may be connected to some chemical work, or something related to pharmacy, or something related to medicine, which can be connected to government, and or it can be related to any accounts related work, or we can say that this person can be into consultation. In Jyotish Shastra also, this person can be definitely there. This also we can definitely say by seeing this chart. So basically, friends, we have to see that what type of planets are aligned in your chart in second house, sixth house, and 10th house. You just have to see that lords in your Navamsha chart. You just have to see that zodiac signs in Navamsha chart, so that you can derive to a conclusion that yes, this type of money earnings will be there. This will be uh, your profession, mode of profession, definitely you can derive, and you can definitely boost up your career. You can definitely improvise your career. So I hope you like this technique. Just try to apply on your charts. Just write me in comment box. So I will definitely see whether they are just complementing to your charts or so. So stay tuned with Planet Soul Astrology, and as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.